Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this Jeep Wrangler 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Jeep Wrangler 2011 to 2017 years. Okay, you can check this front UI interface. Okay, let me introduce. It will come with special harness and parts. All parts will be come with this storage, and this will be come with two. Okay, this is very big. This part also will come with head unit. It will come with GPS antenna and canvas box for Jeep Wrangler. This harness is connect to the canvas box. You can check the Wrangler special harness will come with head unit. It also comes with canvas box. Okay, let me show it. You can choose a time. You can choose logo. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose a Jeep. Okay, you can adjust the theme color. Any color you can adjust this panel. Let me choose red. Okay, all apps are here. This is Auto Kit for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. It's built in Google Maps. It's built in Play Store. You can download the applications from Google Play Store. It's built in Wi-Fi, connect to Wi-Fi system. It's PX6 rack chip, Android 9 Pie system. Okay. First, let me introduce Bluetooth. You can check device name is Belsee, pin code 40. Let me open my phone to connect to pair the Bluetooth. Okay, you can check this is my phone. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone and click search button. Okay, search the Galaxy S8 Plus, click pair button. Your phone will get command, please put 40. Okay, connected for audio. Show Bluetooth icon, you can make phone call. Okay. You can stream music from your phone. Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, this is streaming music from your phone. This is USB driver. And this is USB hub. It's USB. There are 4 USB ports. The head unit will come with 2 USB. Let me connect. Button lights will on. It will play music automatically from USB driver. This 4K Samsung 4K video. Full screen. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. It's built in the radio. We show. And you can download the applications from Google Play Store. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. There is canvas box. Let me show it. This is canvas box from Wrangler. Connect to can harness. Okay, that's all. Thank you.